welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we will be working into a baby grasshopper. You'll need 2 blocks. Place those blocks at the top of your mat, shoulder width distance. Find a plank. Bend your knees, charging child's pose. Knees are hovered off of the earth. Exhale, step your right foot behind your right block, bending and straightening out your right leg. So just stretching out, warming up through that right hip, right hamstring, and left calf. Rebend your right knee. Take an easy twist. Right arm reaches towards the sky. Gaze towards your right hand. Shift your weight forward. Left knee curls behind right. Kundalini. Squeezing your legs in. Gazing high. Exhale, step your left foot down. Plant your hand on the block. Step your right leg back. Charging child's pose. Sink your hips back. Exhale, step your left foot behind your left block, bending and straightening out that leg. Flowing through these motions, just trying to warm up through that left hip to feel good. Rebend your left knee. And then take an easy twist. Reach your left arm up to the sky. Gaze towards your left hand. Exhale, Kundalini, knee behind knee, squeeze. How low can you sink through that left leg? Step your right leg back, plant your hand on the block. Exhale, charging child's pose. Step your right foot behind your right block. Reach your right arm high to the sky. Exhale, Kundalini, knee behind knee. This time reaching for your right ankle, your right foot, or your right calf. Bending through your left elbow into your left rib cage. Shifting your weight forward. You can be high, you can be low. Then play with keeping a hold of your left foot, extending your knee up to the sky, gently releasing that leg back down. One more side. Step your feet back. Exhale, charging child's pose. Step your left foot behind your left block. Inhale, easy twist. Reach your left arm up to the sky. Kundalini, knee behind knee, sink low. Left hand reaches for your right foot, your right ankle, or your right calf. Pancake your weight forward. Left armpit hugs your left knee. Keeping a hold of your right leg, and then pressing your hips back and your knee high to the sky. Gently releasing that leg. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale. Thank you so much for joining me. This was Flow with Sky. Catch you next week. Bye.